Steve what?
Call of Duty.
Call of Duty.
Call of Duty.
Oh yeah, you got the little fan going on?
Yeah.
Oh, look at you over there. Look at how good they
When she wanna.
Oh, now we gotta get that every day. What the hell?
Hell no.
Every day.
It's too much work.
Hey guys, I am back with another makeup video. Today I'm using the Morphe by Jaclyn Hill Palette. It's the same palette that I used in the last video, but with different colors.
Dress to impress, no stress, though they're waiting. I keep them waiting. Makeup on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans, they're all waiting. I'm on my way. Looking in the mirror at myself like who that? Swag on 1,000 and my girls got my back. We just won the party, call me tequila shawty. We just won the party, yeah, yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance.
Okay, the look on my face right here was like, what's going on? Normally I use, or lately, for months now, I've been using Makeup Revolution's Conceal and Define concealer, and I'm totally out. And this time I'll just use some of what I use for my brows, the LA Girl Pro Conceal. And honey, it was making my eyeshadow stick so stick into place. It wouldn't. It was extremely hard to blend all these colors across my face. So you're gonna watch me struggle like for the next 5 minutes of this video, but in the end, we made it work.
Dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. Hands to the sky if you feelin' a vibe. We ain't gonna stop for nothing. Put your hands to the sky if you catchin' a vibe. We ain't gonna stop for nothing. Yeah, you can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on.
Oh, yeah. I've been trying to take my eyes off you.
Okay, so right here I'm adding a little bit more of the mug shot. I'm just looking over at the other eye just to make sure that both eyes are going to be even. I'm also blending it into the rust color on my eyelid, and I'll be doing that back and forth until I get the deepness that I want out of both colors.
Hope that you would understand. I think that if you get to know me, you see I'm way more than nice. I wanna hold you, let me feel you till the morning light. I'm more than just 9 to 5. Everyone's known it's only you and I. Looks like we'll be staying up all night. Time to play what you say, I'm here for you. I'm working overtime. I'm more than 9 to 5. Come on, let you close.
So I'm laying down the shade Secret, and yeah, you can see, well, you will see in a minute, the lighting was kind of bad on that side, so I'm just gonna move my mirror over to the other side. But you will see how long it takes me to blend out this color, and it's not the color, it is the base. It is the base. So if you're are new to this, I do not recommend the Pro Conceal to blend out your dark colors, because it was gripping like no other. However, on the other hand, if your eyeshadows won't stay, this is probably the greatest base out there.
Time to play what you say. I'm here for you. I'm working overtime. I'm more than 9 to 5. Baby. Ooh. I'm more than just 9 to 5. Everyone's gone, it's only you and I. You and I. Looks like we'll be staying up all night. Time to play what you say. I'm here for you.
With the color that I'm using in my outer V, I'm pulling that color into my lid, and I'm pulling my lid color out into the outer V. I'm not really doing zigzags. I'm literally pulling in and then taking the lid shade and pulling out. That way to keep me from having that muddy look.
I'm working overtime, more than 9 to 5. More than 9 to 5, baby. Yeah.
And always go back in with a clean shader brush to get rid of any harsh lines that you might have. A harsh line will have it looking kind of clown-like, so you really want to buff away those hard lines, and it give you a really nice smooth look.
Wishful thinking gets the best of me, hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine, just some time off we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I do not want to give you more of my life.
Another thing is when you put on your lid color, your lid shade, you want to get that color really close to your lash lines. That way, just in case you don't, you're not an eyelash wearer or you don't want to wear mascara, you'll have color all the way down without having those flesh color spots by your eyelashes.
Will you ever call me back? How am I supposed to go if we never said goodbye? Reading through our convo, trying to find where it went wrong. Baby, I'll be fine if you text me one last time. Wishful thinking gets the worst of me, hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine, just some time off we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I do not want to give you more of my life. I do
Need a girl that can ride for me. Wanna lock down and shine with me. Don't you know you don't have to try with me. Gonna let go, yeah. I'm gonna let go, gonna give you control, yeah.
Alright guys, we are finished with the eyeshadow. I'll be right back with the finished face. Yeah, I had to put that club lighting on right here, so I darkened it up a little bit. You can see the colors of my makeup pop a bit more now that there's not so much ring light in my face, but this is the finished look, and I hope you guys liked it so much. Oh, right here I was saying that I didn't add any highlighter to my brows because I didn't want to do anything to my eyes that you guys didn't see. I did put on my eyeliner and eyelashes, but as far as makeup goes, or shadow go, I didn't want to, you know, do that off camera. I think that'd be kind of bogus. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of the Lorac tantalizer to my brows, and we should be done with the look. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I thank you all so much for watching. I know a lot of you have been waiting for a second video, and it took me forever, and I do apologize. It will not happen again. Okay, it's on record. It won't happen again. So again, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all later.
Cuando bailas